everyone, welcome to another video on computer security. Today I will learn a little bit about encryptation, and how to recover your password from a zip. Well, the first thing we are going to do before we start is turn on our virtual machine all usual. Well, first, uh, we open the terminal and we place our service in the folder that you see in the on screen. As you can see, there is already a messages that will be encrypted. Then we will run a command that you will be make the encryption of this file and create the encrypted file. It is interesting if we print what it is the file, only rare symbols will appear. Uh, but if but if we put a certain command, wow, abracadabra, we can see the hash of the encryption. Obviously, this same encryption package also giving us to decrypt the messages so that we can see it normal as they will be seen in the on screen. Okay, the second part of this video is that we will use a tool to find the password of the zip folder if we lost it. Since we are on our console, we will create a folder where our folders will be for easily. Then we will create three files, and this same tree will save it in several zip with password. Then we will do a small test to open them with incorrect password. Then we will use our crack tool, which will use brute force to find the password of each zip that will theoretically lose the password. We will see that from 5 digits, the program costs more time, as it is brute force makes sense than late without combination all combinations. In conclusion, it is often important to know these tools and that you must know how to use them with good intention and not with bad ones. Remember, guys, let us be good hacker people. The king that helps the most distract of the those people who just steal virtually. See you in the net broadcast. Security off.